Do you think there'll be? Let me ask a Joe Rogan question. Do you think there'll be? I just recently taken ayahuasca. Do you think,
Is that a
so this
Rogan
question? No. Well, yes.
Well, I guess technically it is.
Yeah. Have
Yeah,
you
'cause
tried?
there's
You ever
DMT
tried
in there or
DMT,
something
bro?
in there?
I love you, Joe.
That's
Okay.
classic.
But either,
Yeah, wait. Yeah, have you said much about it? The
I have
ayahuasca
not.
stuff?
I have not. I've been.
Oh, okay, well, let me spill the beans.
It was a truly
Don't
incredible.
you turn the tables on you?
Wow.
I mean, you're in the jungle.
Yeah, amongst the trees, myself.
Yeah, it must have been crazy.
And the shaman. Yeah. With the insects, with the animals all around you, like jungle as far as I can see.
I mean,
that's the way to do it.
things are gonna look pretty wild.
Yeah, pretty wild. I took an extremely high dose.
Just don't go hugging an anaconda or something, you know.
You haven't lived unless you made love to an anaconda. I'm sorry, but
Snakes and ladders.
Yeah, it was. I took extremely high dose of 9 cups and
damn. Okay, that sounds like a lot. Like, what's the normal? Is normal just 1 cup or
1 or 2? Usually 1. Yeah.
You went.
Yeah.
Wait, like right off the bat, or did you work your way up to it?
So I
you just jumped in at the deep end
across 2 days, because the first day I took 2 and it was a ride, but it wasn't quite like
it wasn't like a revelation.
It wasn't into deep space type of ride. It was just like a little airplane ride. I saw some trees and some visuals and all that. I just saw a dragon and all that kind of stuff. But
at 9 cups, you went to Pluto, I think.
Pluto, yeah. No, deep space.
Deep space.
No, one of the interesting aspects of my experience is I thought I would have some demons, some stuff to work through.
That's what people.
That's what everyone says.
No one ever says. Yeah, exactly.
I had nothing. I had all positive. I had just so
just
full.
A pure soul.
I don't think so. I don't know. But I kept thinking about it. It had like extremely high resolution.
Okay.
Thoughts about the people I know in my life. You were there.
Okay.
It was it's just. Not from my relationship with that person, but just as the person themselves, I had just this deep gratitude of who they are.
That's cool.
It was just like this exploration, like like Sims or whatever. You get to watch them.
Sure.
I got to watch people and just be in awe of how amazing they are.
It sounds awesome.
Yeah, it's great. I was waiting for
when's the demon coming?
Exactly. Maybe I'll have some negative thoughts. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing. I had just extreme gratitude for them. And then also a lot of space travel.
Space travel to where?
So here's what it was. It was people, the human beings that I know, they had this kind of, the best way to can describe it is they had a glow to them.
Okay.
And then I kept flying out from them to see Earth, to see our solar system, to see our galaxy. Okay. And I saw that light, that glow all across the universe.
Okay.
Like that, whatever that form is.
All right.
Whatever that,
did you go past the Milky Way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're like intergalactic.
Yeah, intergalactic.
Okay, dang.
Yeah. But always pointing in.
Okay.
Yeah. Past the Milky Way, I saw like a huge number of galaxies, intergalactic, and all of it was glowing. So, but I couldn't control that travel because I would actually explore near distances to the solar system, see if there's aliens or any of that kind of stuff. No, I didn't know.
Zero aliens?
Implication of aliens because they were glowing. They were glowing in the same way that humans were glowing. That like life force that I was seeing. The thing that made humans amazing was there throughout the universe. Like there was these glowing dots. So I don't know. It made me feel like there's life. No, not life, but something, whatever makes humans amazing all throughout the universe.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it was amazing. No demons. Awesome. No demons. I looked for the demons. There's no demons. There were dragons and they're pretty awesome. So the thing about trees.
Was there anything scary at all?
Dragons? But they weren't scary. They were They were protective. So the thing
like
is,
Puff the Magic Dragon.
No, it was more like Game of Thrones kind of dragons. They weren't very friendly. They were very big. So the thing is about giant trees at night, which is where I was.
I mean, the jungle's kind of
scary.
Yeah,
the trees started to look like dragons, and they were all like looking at me.
Sure. Okay.
And it didn't seem scary. They seemed like they were protecting me. And they the shaman and the people didn't speak any English, by the way, which made it even scarier. Because we're not even like we're worlds apart in many ways. It's just, but yeah, there was not. They talk about the mother of the forest protecting you, and that's what I felt like.
And you're way out in the jungle.
Way out. This is not like a tourist retreat.
Like 10 miles outside of Rio or something.
No, we went. No, this is not a.
You're
this is
deep,
not
deep
a
Amazon.
So me and this guy named Paul Rosalie, who basically is Tarzan. He lives in the jungle. We went out deep, and we just went crazy.
Wow, cool.
Yeah. So anyway, can I get that same experience in a Neuralink?
Probably, yeah.